Just a quick recap on today's trade, today's price action. Guys, it's 420. I just got done doing the oil change on my truck. I'm dirty. I really just wanted to show you guys before the end of the trading period, which is around 5 o'clock. Look at how respectable price action was on today's 3-minute orb. These are my only indicators, guys. Once again, sometimes I use PO3, sometimes I don't. I use kill zone right here, these time zones, and I use key levels. And once again, my key levels, these are my configurations. Very simple, guys. Guys, this is probably the simplest way to trade, quickest way to trade. Every day I'm done before 11, 10. So here we have the opening. Not only did we have price at 9:30 sweep London lows. If you know about volatility, if you know about liquidity, you know price action, gold, NAS, US 30, it likes to sweep liquidity, go to the next area. Very simple, right? So this was an indication right here. Is the first indication we had the sweep of London lows at 9:30. On the 3-minute, now we can take that off, right? On the 3 minutes, we have an engulfing, which is a very bullish candlestick. I got in right here. And that's before the 5-minute close, guys. This is the 5-minute close. The reason why I use 3 minutes is because it's better entries, just better overall. I used to do 5 minutes, and I realized 3 is more precise. We would have got in right here at 5 minutes. And then the retest would have been way down here. Not only did we get in right here, but look at the retest. We have a retest, bam, come back down here. This is the retest. And then price shoots up, guys. You can use, this. You can use this level, or you can use this previous candlestick. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you. And typically, we go for the next high, which was right here. That's a 1.75 to 1 trade right there, just off that. But in this case, I believe I got out around here. So it was a 3 to 2 to 1. But guys, the weekly highs right here. Perfect entry. That's a 4.89. Dang near a 5 to 1 trade right here, guys. Okay, you was scared. You didn't miss, or you missed out on this trade. Cool. We had a retest of pre-market highs, guys. We had the retest of pre-market highs. You could have put your stop loss right here below this candlestick, and simply just get you a 3 to 1 back up to the highs, guys. It's that simple. Nas gave us Nas respected our 3-minute orb a little bit better. We had the push, then we had the retest of this zone. Once again, once you see this, as soon as it comes under here, you put a pending order. It would have been quick, but put a pending order right here. As soon as it comes down and comes back up, it triggers. Guys, very simple. You could put your, once again, below the previous candlestick, right? And then, once again, we're going just to the highs. This is the first take profit right here, is to this high. It's a 4.2 to 1 trade, guys. Even if you did have a deep, it's still a 2 to 1. Even if you had a real deep stop loss, it's still a 2 to 1. So, and then you got this is pre-market highs, yesterday's highs as the second take profit. That's a 6 to 1, guys. Today was a real good day for me. Overall trading. Off of this move right here, I passed and pushed a lot of accounts. So Very overall good day. I just want to show you guys that one, I was done with trading before 11 o'clock right here. This is 10:30 when this happened, the second move. This is the first move, second move. Done before 11. Right here, take profit right here. This is 10:30, guys. So from 9:30 to 10:30, there are major moves. All you have to do is find out how to get into them. And this is how I do it. I'm very confident in my pushes above this 3-minute orb. I'm very confident in the reactions and the rejections towards the 3-minute orb. Right here, you see it. It reacted exactly how I expected it. I honestly could have gotten way more money, but when you have multiple accounts and you understand, like, you know, whether it was $1,000, $10,000 made, it doesn't really matter the number as long as you're getting better at your system and just getting comfortable with your system. There's no other better feeling, you know. Really great day. You know, like I said, not every day does this happen, but when you see similar to the same things happening every day, I mean, it's really nothing you can do but just take note and understand that not all days is going to be like this. When you have these days, you stand on it and you get money. Once again, strong candle, a retest of the candle or the box, and usually I'm in on that first push outside the box, but you know, with the second reaction, man, it's just that's how you really build an account. So this was a good move right here, guys. Can't complain. 2 tipped it today, so I'm 2-0 across multiple accounts, multiple firms. So I can't complain. Just want to show you guys that this is really it. Just put the key levels right here. Put this in here. This is exactly how I have it. And you download Kill Zone just to understand the London lows, Asian lows and highs. And look, it even swept yesterday's New York, Lake New York. So we got a sweep of all of these time sessions, and it just went up. So that's it, guys. You want to learn how to trade 30 minutes to an hour, make a lot of money, move on with your day, and just kind of keep going with prop firms and payouts. You guys can hit me up if you need some assistance, you need a system, you need some pointers on how to get payouts. Join my wait list. Other than that, guys, payouts on the way, accounts being pushed. There's nothing really you can do about it. You just keep standing on, you know, what's working, and this is what's working for me. I don't have to be sitting at a computer all day for hours, and I fine-tuned this to get better, precise action. Imagine, so check this out. If this was a 5-minute, let's say this was a 5-minute. I don't know if it is, but we'll see. We got a 5-minute candle. Yeah, so this is the 5-minute candle right here. So this is the 5-minute candle. So guys, you see the difference? So like I said, it's more concentrated right here. So, you know, for me, that's way better than way down here. Just more confusion. So with this 3-minute, I fine-tuned it to where, look, we got perfect reactions and rejections off of this 3-minute. Went up. So this is the break. This is the retest. Continuation. You know, same with this. You know, if it was 5-minute, if it was a real 5-minute, box had been way up here. Which you guys gotta understand me when I say this. Which, if it was a 5-minute, let's say this was a 5-minute, right? It's a lot more bulkier, but guess what? It tapped into it right here. So that's how I know that this tap was it was reacting to not only the pre-micro highs, but the true 5-minute, right? The true 5-minute box, it reacted to it. So that's how I know to get in at this type of reaction, regardless. So this verifies that, okay, this is going back up. It's confirmation. We got a test, a break retest of this pre-market highs, which is a true 5-minute orb, but engulfing, and then rejection right here. This is like a change of character, break of structure right here, right? Bam, higher highs, retest of this higher low, and then bam, continue to the next high. So, man, guys, I keep going. So 8 years, I kind of dumbed it down to where it works for me. It's working. As long as I stand on it, I'm getting payouts. When I don't, like when I rush it and I'm doing too much over trading, that's how I blow accounts. We all humans. I'm being transparent, guys. I'm not perfect. I blow accounts every week, and I don't care because I'm getting payouts and I know how to get payouts. So that's it, guys. That's the video. Hopefully you guys understand it. Hopefully it works. Try it out. This is the best strategy to get in and out of the markets, like an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, and you can catch big moves, know how to catch them, know when to catch them. And yeah, let me know how you guys feel about it. If you ever tried this, the 3-minute orb, let me know how you like it, if you ever succeeded with it. And yeah, that's it. Let me know. Type in the comments and share with me your experience, please. I would like to know if anybody else has done this, doing this, and if it's working. It's the Tip Trader. I'm out.